Good morning. We're here at the Elliott's residence. Friday the 19th of October. Bit chilly, but the fellas are pouring the patio slab this morning. It's going very well. They have a seasoned operator over there. Got in close to the building. We've already got one of the first sections done in between the house there. Got it all protected. This fella's running the machine remote. He's got his little remote there. This is a happy group here. They're going to pour that slab right over those little pads they have there, the little sonotubes we pad with the foundation. And that's where the posts for the trellis will go. So have something to anchor it down on. Morning! Little shot up the way there. This is David Schultz on Friday. Have a great weekend. So long for now.